and somehow that feels important. I think sometimes we miss so much beauty because we're always waiting for something bigger to happen. And today, dinner tasted so much better knowing that it came from the garden. Maybe that's why slow living feels so comforting, because you actually get to notice things. You get to notice the tomatoes growing from little flowers on the plant to them turning green and getting bigger and bigger with the days. And then they slowly start to turn red. This deep, beautiful, gorgeous red color. And I realized that I probably would have missed all these things. And so if I could miss a tomato growing and changing from green to red, imagine how many more things we miss in life, how many more moments we don't get to cherish and appreciate, because we live in a world where everything is just instant. You send a message now, within a second it's arrived to the person you're sending it to. But life actually takes time, one day at a time. You stack the blocks one on top of the other. In as much as we're only eating these tomatoes now, it's actually taking quite some time for them to grow. And that is a lesson that I'm learning from that.
Because you are so nervous about screwing the moment. This sequence of tight basketball games and time in the game or during their history.
Alright.
We not only know Jesus, but we go out to make Jesus known. We are also known as D squared. Somebody once introduced us as double D, and that's not the right description of who we are.
We are off to collect my favorite autism sushi. I'm so excited. I used to think that beautiful days had to be extraordinary, but maybe this is what a good life actually looks like, at least for me. I'm not an overachiever or anything, and I find joy in the smallest of things. And that's the beauty of my life.